Ever wondered about the speed of a sneeze? Picture this. Tiny droplets of mucus and saliva catapulting from your nose and mouth at speeds that would put a race car to shame. Yes, you heard it right. These minute particles can reach a staggering 100 miles per hour. That's a whopping 160 kilometers per hour for those on the metric system. Imagine a miniature jet plane taking off right from your face. So the next time a sneeze takes you by surprise, remember? It's not just a simple bodily function. It's a powerful display of nature in action. Stay amazed, and of course, stay healthy.